Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Ghazala Musa Kazmi and I am Associate Professor at Central Park Medical College for Psychiatry and Behavioral Sciences, and I am the Head of Department. Since in the old book of Behavioral Sciences, the personality disorders are not given, and they are given in the new book, which is, this is the new book, and the personality disorders are given in this new book with the black and white cover. And since some of the students are keeping the old book, they have not watched the new book, so we are making a video, 2 or 3 videos of the personality disorders in the lecture form. They are not patients, but I am just lecturing on the topic, and you can listen to these videos on the YouTube. The title of these videos is Dr. Ghazala Musa Kazmi, Personality Disorders. First of all, let me tell you that personality disorders are different from mental illness. There is personality variation which is within normal variation. Then we are talking about personality disorders today, and personality disorders are variations of personality that cause some disturbance of functioning, but it is not severe disturbance of functioning. And then things get even worse, and there is moderate or severe disturbance of functioning. We call it mental illness. Today we are talking about personality disorders, not simple personality variations which are normal, and not mental illness. We are talking about the middle variety, which is personality disorders. First of all, there is paranoid personality. जिस तरह उर्दू में कहते हैं कि फलां तो शक्की है, फलां तो वहमी है. And these people are suspicious, sensitive, preoccupied with conspiracy theories. That is, they think that other people are ganging up against them or doing things to hurt them. They have doubt about other people's niyat, like they will say, flan badniyat hai, flan mujhe harm karna chahta hai, flan mere khilaf hai, these kind of ideas. These ideas are also called self-referential. Self-referential means that they have ideas of reference, कि this problem is related to me, ये इस वाक़े का मुझसे ताल्लुक है, फलां जो बात कर रहे हैं फलां से, वो मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. And if it becomes psychotic level, then that is psychosis. But this is not paranoid psychosis. It is just an abnormality of personality. And the main feature is distrust and suspiciousness. The second personality disorder is schizoid. Schizoid is spelled S-C-H-I-Z-O-I-D. Schizoid. Schizoid personality disorder, these are emotionally cold people, detached, they have lack of interest in others, they are introverts, and preoccupied in fantasy. यानी अलग थलग रहने वाले लोग जो अलग थलग बैठे रहते हैं, अपनी सोचों में ख्यालों में गुम रहते हैं और लोगों से ज़्यादा बातचीत नहीं करते और उनको लोगों में इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं होता. Then there is dissocial or antisocial personality. Antisocial personality, these people are aggressive, callous, lack of concern for others. These people do not have concern for the rights of others. इनको एहसास नहीं होता कि दूसरों के भी हुकूक है. इनको अपने हुकूक तो बहुत ज़्यादा नजर आते हैं, पर इनको दूसरों के हुकूक का एहसास नहीं होता. They are irresponsible. Antisocial personalities, irresponsible, inability to maintain lasting relationships, disregard for others' rights, history of childhood conduct problems, superficial charm. Superficial charm means इनसे आप बात करेंगे तो आप हो सकते हैं बड़े इम्प्रेस हों और आप समझें कि बड़े ज़बरदस्त इंसान है, लेकिन ये अक्सर झूठ, धोखा, फ्रॉड, चीट करना, इस तरह की ये बातें करते हैं और इनसे बहुत होशियार होने की ज़रूरत है. Then there is emotionally unstable personality. कितने मिनट्स हो गए?
4 minutes.
अच्छा, emotionally unstable personality. Emotionally unstable personality is also called borderline personality disorder. Borderline personality disorder जो है उन फैमिलीज में जिनमें बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर का इंसिडेंस हाई है, उनमें borderline personality का भी इंसिडेंस हाई होता है. और emotionally unstable personality is the same as borderline personality disorder, and it is called borderline because they are on the borderline of psychosis. यानी कि ये इनकी इतनी कुछ अजीब-गरीब हरकतें होती हैं कि ये ज़्यादा दूर नहीं होते साइकोसिस से, और कभी-कभी इनके ब्रीफ साइकोटिक एपिसोड्स भी होते हैं. Inability to control anger, ये छोटी-छोटी बातों पर गुस्सा करना, unclear identity, intense and unstable relationship. ये लोग मोहब्बत भी बहुत करते हैं, लेकिन गुस्सा, लड़ाई झगड़ा भी बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं, और इनकी ज़िंदगी अप एंड डाउन सारे वक्त जा रही होती है. और आपका अगर इनके साथ रिलेशनशिप हो, चाहे आप